Welcome to Edumundo Skills. It's difficult for students to get off to a good start at university, and it can be difficult for graduates to stand out in a crowded job market where having a degree seems to be the baseline. Introducing a new collection of resources to help students succeed at university and develop the confidence to gain graduate employment. A modular bank of topics and subtopics easily adapted to provide a customised package of highly engaging resources, with intuitive user experience and designed on the basis of constructive alignment. This digital platform helps to make the subject attractive by chunking the text and interspersing with engaging videos and interactives to keep the students engaged. Continuous opportunities for reflection ensure that students develop a deeper understanding of the material and retain the knowledge for longer. Built-in formative assessment means that students receive immediate feedback, and a dashboard of results provides an additional layer of engagement data. It's easily scaled across a department, school, faculty or institution, but still with the option to adapt and customise at a programme level. It can sit within a dedicated skills module, supporting the learning objectives and aligning to the module specification, or it can sit outside the module structure as a self-study resource. If you're interested in providing the best resources to your students, get in touch with us today to find out how to get started with Edumundo Skills. Visit edumundo.com and request a free trial today.